Alright, ready ka na? Ready?
I think so.
Uy, mag-hi kayo sa camera. Of course, you guys need to hi. Alright. So, pagsasabi ko yung pangalan niyo.
Ano yun, like hi? Ganun?
Oo.
Mag-share pa ba ako ng backgrounds tungkol sa sarili ko?
I mean, you can if you want.
Hindi na,
I mean, introduction lang naman.
Mag-hello lang ako.
She is a scholar student and my best friend, and I wanted to get to know her life. Please all welcome Jessabel. Hi, Jessa.
Hello.
Jessa's here, you guys. And Adi and Kim, come on, pakita na kayo. Yeah, nandito sila, they're the audience and the cameraman.
The directors.
Yes. So disclaimer, hindi mo disclaimer, OA. Pero ang tawag dito, we're in a school library kasi this interview is done in a rush.
Yes.
In a rush talaga. Ilang beses na namin move. Yeah, it's like the third time na. So sabi ko, pilitin na natin, let's rush this.
Yes.
And right now, anong araw ngayon? It's Friday,
Yeah.
May 17 ata. And may sports thing going on. Student
Yung
senior high
All-Star.
day, oo. Kaya pinatry namin our best to interview. Pero right now we're doing it in recess. Pero it's extended, so kaya naman namin. And wala kaming bosses.
No.
Wala
The
kaming
volleyball was too good.
Oo, the volleyball's too good. The teachers did so great talaga. Kaya
Yes.
we screamed too much. Pero first of all, I want to say thank you, Jessa. You wanted to join in with
Ay.
Actually, pilit siya eh. Hindi naman pilit.
Hindi
Pero
kasi,
go.
naawa kasi ako.
Grabe naman yun. And then, nilagay ko lang yung pangalan niya. Tapos sabi ko, ba't siya nandyan? Sabi ko, wala lang, gusto ko kita interview. So, parang gusto mo na rin. So, ito, nandito na rin siya.
Yeah. It's
So,
an honor.
ayun.
Thank you.
You're welcome, of course. I want to ask you, first question, how's life recently?
Kung seryosong tanong, syempre, obvious na. Pagod na ako.
Pagod na ako. True.
Pero, at least sa kabila ng pagod naman na yun, meron naman akong mga na-experience na mga magagandang, dito. Yeah.
Tama yan.
Yes.
Basta for your school life, pagod ka na. Pero
Yes.
for your personal,
Personal life, okay.
kaya mo
Masaya.
pa.
Yes.
Kaya mo pa, oo.
Yes.
Like this, all stars.
Diba?
Ah.
Konting push na lang, tapos na rin yung school year.
Totoo, like 1 week na lang, no?
Yeah,
1 week na
exams
lang.
next week eh.
Yeah, 1 week na lang. I see. Pero since you are studying Maras, malamang kaya nga tayo sa Maras. Pupunta na
Hindi,
lang.
actually, taga-ano kasi ako.
Lasal. Lasal po
Hindi,
kami.
I'm from UP kasi.
UST ako eh. Nag-ano lang ako, pumunta pa ako sa kanya ng UP. Charot. Anyways. Pero how long have you been studying in Maris na ba?
Started studying in Maris since grade 7. Siguro 5 years na. 5 years na.
5 years. Kasi naman nag-start yung scholar afternoonship ng grade 7.
Yeah, kasi, hindi ko pa sure kung tutuloy ako sa Maris nun eh.
Ano sa tingin mong school ka lilipat when pinili mo na hindi sa Maris?
I was trying to look for public schools din kasi I came from a public school. So,
Okay.
So, nagtatry kami ng mom ko maghanap ng mga public schools para hindi rin siya masyadong hassle in terms of tuition, gano'n.
Gets. Okay.
Pero, ayun nga, since my brother din is studying here in Maris.
Ngayon?
No, not now. Before pandemic, nag-aaral siya dito.
Okay.
So, ang sabi niya sa akin, try ko mag-ano for scholarship.
Dito, nung grade 7.
Yes.
Pero grade 7 lang nangyari yung scholarships, right? Grade 7
Then
lang.
nag-start
O nga
high
pala,
school
nakalimutan ko. Yeah, and also pala, I know in my past interviews, I did interview Joven and Steven, pero like, we didn't really talk about much about their scholar life kasi mainly MSCB, kaya si Jessa yung first scholar story. Wow, scholar story.
Scholar story, MMK. What's my story?
What's my story?
Do you remember? Do you know?
No. Pero what was your life like nung grade 7 to 10 bago ka nag-senior high? Kasi scholar ka din nun, di ba? Grade 7 to 10, what was your life like?
Well, nung grade 7 to masasabi natin parang secluded naman kasi yung yung batch namin. Kasi ang idea kasi namin is for each grade level, 2 sections lang.
Oo nga pala. Naalala ko yun.
Per se, si Adi tsaka si Kim, kaklase ko sila since grade 7. And the thing is, pagkaklase mo na ng grade 7, sila na yung kaklase mo hanggang grade 8. So, there's no switch up, walang
lucky.
Ang mangyayari lang, mababawasan kayo. So, if I recall correctly, grade 7, 51 students kami. Tapos nung grade 10, we were like, 41 kami.
Grabe kayo.
Yun.
Ang tagal, ang dami niyo.
Madami kami kasi ang alam ko, ang goal ng head namin was to take about 100 students per batch.
Grabe yun.
Diba? So, pero ang alam ko, nung grade 10 ako, mayroong isang batch, grade 8 ata yun, 3 yung sections nila. Pero it's a nice din kasi siya, para siyang mini family sa loob ng school. Kasi lahat kami, bonded together. So
Yeah.
like parang hindi siya problema sa amin na, ay, itong grade 7 na to, kilala ko to, ganun.
So, okay. So, nung junior high, dalawang sections kayo. Pero nung senior high, nag-combine kayo?
Yeah, kaya
Okay, yeah.
ang dami sa aming nagdalawang isip kung tutuloy kami for this scholarship. Kasi,
Yeah.
eto nga, una, limited slot. Pangalawa, yung environment. Pangatlo, hindi namin alam paano kami makikitungo sa mga day high. Kasi, time kasi na yun, we weren't exactly allowed to have communications with them.
Ay, okay.
So, this whole thing, bago siya sa amin eh. Kasi, imagine, simula grade 7 to grade 10, na-train ka na itong mga taon na to lang yung makakasama mo.
Oh, so parang restricted kayo for
Yes.
only scholars. Great.
Ang mayayari kasi, pag nahuli ka na may kasama kang regular student, inside the campus, may possibility na, mapa-prefect kayo.
What?
And the thing is, magkaiba yung prefect ng afternoon shift sa day high. So, whatever take na yung mabibigay sa'yo, tatanggapin mo na lang talaga.
Grabe yun. So, nung grade 11 lang kayo nakapag-usap ng regular
Talaga.
session? Grabe
Pero
yun.
mayroon akong family members or close friends na di.
Pwede
Pero,
yun. Hindi.
pwede ko silang makausap outside the campus, pero not inside the campus.
Wait, so hindi rin pwedeng makausap ng day high outside the campus? Any day high pa rin? Or pwede bang...
Let's say, naka-uniform.
Bawal yun?
Bawal yun.
Okay, gets.
Jill is also here.
Jill is also here. Pumasok lang siya. Before Wavy Talks.
Yung-
Yeah, the one that blew up yours na rin.
And kasi, if I recall, magkaiba kasi yung curriculum natin sa curriculum.
Ay, oo. Iba yung
So,
curriculum.
nung nag-grade 11 kami, nangangapa talaga kami.
Oo.
Pero, I think that's the good thing about being a scholar din. Kasi natitrain ka talaga. Mahirap. Siyempre, magdudusa ka talaga. Maghihirap ka, iiyak ka.
Oo.
Pero, that's the thing eh. Yun yung challenge na ni-take up mo nung pinili mo maging scholar.
Grabe sa'yo pala yung buhay as a scholar.
Sakto lang.
Jesus. Pero at least sa grade 11, senior high, parang gumaan naman yung
Yeah,
buhay.
I mean, in terms of academics, syempre hindi. Kasi we're leveling up eh.
Ay, oo.
Pero in terms of being able to communicate with the people around us, okay naman siya. Kasi ito nga,
Oo nga. Nakakapag-interview ka na.
I wouldn't think na I would be able to do this.
Kung may rule pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Nung siguro share ko to. Yung first chemistry class ko. Naalala ko nun, I was grouped with the smartest people talaga in our room.
Okay.
Tapos, the thing is, nakarinig na ako ng maraming rumors about those people there na matalino sila, sobrang talino nila, ganun. So, syempre nun, kinakabahan.
Shout out to
Shout out kayo, na joke lang. So,
Yeah.
syempre, kinakabahan ako ng mga time na yun. And, when we were talking during that time, ang nangyari nun, we were in our communion groups na. Tapos, kinakabahan ako nun kasi I remember the people around me, they would speak in English. I'm comfortable with speaking in English. Pero, if nadala ko ng pressure, hindi ko kaya.
Gets
I
it.
remember nun, imbes na isipin ko yung mga chemical equations na dapat kong isipin, ang iniisip ko yung English ko, like parang, mababother ba sila kapag ganito yung sinabi ko? Parang ganun.
Gets ko yan.
Tapos, the thing is, parang yung expectations din nila na scholar ka. I remember may narinig akong comment nun, sabi niya, scholar ka, kaya mo na yan.
Ay,
And like,
oo.
actually, kahit scholar ako, pag hindi ko kaya, hindi ko kaya.
Tama yan. Hindi man kaya lahat ng mga scholar eh.
Siguro factor din kasi na nung high school kami, marami rin kaming narinig na comments na wasn't exactly ideal. Kasi siya sa amin eh, parang hit siya sa amin.
Oo.
Pero, ayun, it's
That's good.
goods naman.
Oh yeah, I understand your scholar life, tas kung ano nangyayari. Grabe, ang pala, it's very different.
It's strict, pero it's what makes you grow eh.
Pero let's now move on to your senior life. Well, I guess really. Pero ano naman ang buhay as STEM student?
STEM student!
Ayan na.
Alam mo ba, nung high school ako, yan yung pinaka-excited ako marinig. Yung parang, oh my gosh, ano strand mo? STEM.
Ay, STEM po.
I'm STEM. Pero ngayon
Bakit
kasi
nga
pag tinatanong nila, bakit STEM pinili? Hindi ko alam. I don't know, Your Honor. I don't remember why.
Pero ano ba kukunin mong job as when you grow up?
I plan to be a nurse.
Okay, gets ko naman.
Yun, pero ang point ko kasi nun, ang goal ko kasi nun,
Okay.
ang goal ko kasi nun was to first, be a nurse. Kasi financially, yun yung pinakamalapit na possible kong kunin. And then, kapag naging na ako, let's say nag-nurse na ako, I have the time na to work and then earn my own money, I could probably push in sa mag-aral ako maging doktor, ganun. That's how it would,
Buti naman nakakain mo pa, even though alam ko hindi nyo na nakakain, pero nakakain nyo pa din. Kasi hindi nyo nakakain. Okay lang yan, may 1 week na lang kayo. May 1 week na lang kayo, kaya nga yan.
Baka nakakalimit ang mag-grade 11 pa lang tayo.
O nga pala.
May isang year pa tayo.
Kaya nga yan. Anyways.
But STEM is fun.
True.
So fun. And wait. Ang dami pong comments. No. In my opinion.
Opinion ko lang yan ha.
Interview to, okay, mahirap ang maging STEM, pero it's exciting.
Gets
Kasi,
Exciting daw.
ang dami mong pwedeng i-explore sa field na
As
yun.
opportunities.
Yeah. Pero, ako kasi,
No
mga first few months ko, I was actually given the chance na to participate in a competition sa UP. So,
Let's go, Ariska.
ang wala talaga, actually, hindi ako napili to participate in any quizzes or anything. Pero I was there for the symposium. And it was fun. Ang dami ko natutunan doon. Nag-notes pa ako nun. And with the group I was with, sobrang saya nilang kasama. Although, syempre, may parts na parang mapapatanong ka, bakit ka nga nandun? Kasi, ang tatalino ng mga kasama. Pero, being with them kasi, nadagdagan yung insights mo na parang, may mga ganito pala, may ganito, ganito pala, mas madali to. So, yun yung major factor na very thankful ako sa STEM.
Gets ko yun. Naiintindihan ko yun. That's what your life as a STEM student. Pero, since, ayun nga, ayoko na kitang stress about STEM, I wanna ask, kasi balik tayo sa scholar, pero how did you become a scholar ba? In short story.
Ooh, okay. So, di ba nga, sabi ko kanina, I was actually looking for public schools. But yung kuya ko noon, not really blood related, pero kuya tawag ko.
Okay.
My brother noon was grade 11, 12 student.
Okay.
And ang sabi niya sa akin, I should try to take up a scholarship sa Maris.
So hindi, before ka na grade 7, wala ka pang scholarship? Okay. Akala ko you had a scholarship nung grade 1 ka pa or like, gets ko yun, okay.
Ang alam ko yung start ng scholarships for Maris is literally, grade 7 talaga.
Yes.
So, nung time na yun, ang nangyari, my mom would always bring me here sa Maris to check out for the test, for the interviews. So,
okay.
ang unang nangyari is interview. Naalala ko pa nun, sobrang kabado ako for interview. As in, nanginginig na ako nun. I was so scared kasi baka mamaya hindi ko alam paano sagutin.
Gets ko yun, ganyan din okay.
Diba?
Kasi hindi siya parang ganito na pwede mo i-cut eh.
Yeah. So, actually, funny story. During the interview, may pinabasa sa amin na story.
Ano?
It was pretty long. I don't remember. May pinabasa na story. Tapos yung story na yun, alam mo yung when you're reading some, pero kinakabahan ka, so you don't really understand.
Hindi mo na-develop sa utak mo.
Yeah. So, all you do is read it, but you can't understand it. Ang hindi ko yun, akala ko it was all just parang aalamin nila kung paano may pronounce yung certain things. Hindi. They were gonna ask questions. So, the thing is, it was about the fox. It was about a fox. Tapos siya, ang pagkakalala ko, iba yung color ng fox. Hindi siya regular na fox lang. So yung unang tinanong sa akin nung nag-interview nun, what was the color of the fox?
Grade school?
Tinitigan ko siya nun kasi I didn't really understand the question kasi nga kinakabahan ako. Pero nakaraos ako and later on, after a few weeks siguro, nakita ko yung name ko, napasok ako so I could go on for the exam.
Gets. Okay. Siguro pala.
Yung exam nun, naalala ko nun, I had these whole stacks of books ng kuya ko nung grade 7 siya. So, talagang ni-push through ko siya lahat. Pero,
lawyer edition.
Ang hirap niya kasi alam mo yung tinatamad ako. Tapos parang, okay, ano bang mangyayari kapag hindi ako natanggap?
Diba?
Is it a loss? Hindi naman. I've got it this far, so it's fine, it's good. Nung umabot na ako doon sa test, sabi ko, okay, this is it. This is it or nothing. So, yun, nag-test. Kabado ako nun. Ang sabi sa amin, ibabalita na lang daw sa amin.
Ay, ganyan din sa amin.
Nung
new student, oo.
Bibisita.
Ay, hindi pala visiting. Pumunta pa kami Maris.
Ay, kayo pinapunta.
Oo.
Chinek na nila. And then, it was, kinakabahan ako nito kasi nasa last week na ng pag-visit nila and hindi pa ako nagbibisita. So, sabi ko, siguro hindi talaga ako natanggap. So that time, I decided to go to Antipolo muna to parang
okay.
freshen up my mind na parang wala namang mawawala kung hindi ako natanggap. Tapos I remember, it was lunchtime nun. Tumawag yung mom ko sa akin. So umalis ako nun sa kinaupuan ko. I went outside. Tapos sabi ng mama ko, Jess, huwag kang iiyak ha.
That means 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. It's either pumasa ako or bumagsak ako. So, kinabahan na ako. Sabi ko, anong nangyari, Mi?
Ano?
And then my mom said, nakbagsak ka, nak. So sabi ko, umiyak na ako nun. Tapos narinig ako ng mom ko umiyak. Sabi niya, uy, joke lang. Sabi sa akin, joke lang yun, pasado ka. Tapos umiyak pa rin ako kasi sabi ko,
di ba alam ka
joke about things like that.
Di ba kasi alam ko naiiyak mo saya ba or lungkot?
Yun nga. Tapos, ang dinagdag pa sa akin na info nun, ang sabi sa akin, supposedly daw, hindi ako tatanggapin because of the location.
Okay.
Kasi yung location is very important when it comes to...
Ayaw ako nito ni Steven yan.
So, ang nangyari sa akin, since I was not in the location that they expected me to be in, I was already in the, final lists.
Last resort.
Pero, ang sa akin ng teacher ko nun, hindi daw ako pwedeng hindi tanggapin kasi I was second sa exam.
Okay. Oy, second.
Kung hindi ako nag-second, wala ako dito.
Grabe yun, the opportunity.
Yeah, nagulat ako nun kasi I thought, naglolokohan lang kami. Kasi sabi ko, second? Parang fake.
Parang fake.
Parang
hindi kasi di ko mga mapaniwala eh.
Oo,
It's yun
kasi,
like ranking 2 hindi ko mapaniwala.
Kasi ginop din ako na hindi ako pumasa eh.
Oo, kaya wala ka na rin mapaniwala na. Pero yeah.
Yun, ganun ako nakaano sa math.
Gets ko yun. Grabe, ang ganda pala ng story mo. How you got past. That's really nice to hear. Pero I have one last question for you for being a scholar. Madami, we have like 4 more. 4 more. Tapos tapos na tayo.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, madami pa tayong oras. Pero, what is the easiest and hardest thing of being a scholar for you?
Isa lang yung masasabi ko nito. It's the, progress. Yung sa part ng, pag nagpa-progress ka kasi, mahirap siya sa simula. Pero madali na siya sa dulo.
Okay.
Kasi, when you're just starting, syempre mahirap yan. Kasi magpapatong-patong sa'yo yan. And hindi ka sure kung kakayanin mo siyang tanggapin. So, parang, oh my God, kaya ko ba to? Can I do this? I remember so many times nung high school ako, so many sleepless nights na hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa to or lipat na lang ako ng school. Kasi I can't do this anymore. It's very rewarding na sa dulo ng paghihirap mo na yun is meron ka matatanggap na something in it. The hardest thing is the progress that you do for it. Pero the easiest thing is when you reach the end of it.
True.
Maiintindihan mo na kung saan ka nang galing.
True yan.
Maiintindihan mo paano ka nakarating dun sa position mo na yun.
Gets ko yun.
So, yan.
Ay, yung hardest mo? What's the easiest one for you?
Being able to have the people around me strive for the same thing.
Totoo.
So, kumbaga, wala sa aming pabaya. Like, if we want this thing, we're aiming for that thing.
Gets ko.
Hindi namin hahayaan na bumagsak ang isa't isa. We would always be there for each other. So,
maganda yan. I love it. Gets ko naman. Pero it's nice to hear your life as a scholar kasi ang interesting din eh. It's very unique to other students. Kaya, naintindihan ko na rin. And we got the full story na din.
Yes!
Kasi, yun nga, half of the 2 scholars na na-interview ko. Mainly kasi MSCB nga. Ito, scholar. So, I understand your life na rin there. Pero yeah, that's your, yun yung life niya as a scholar. Hopefully, everybody understood. Pero now, this is my favorite part of the section. I wanna ask us about our friendship. Kasi, ayun nga, nakakagulat nga.
Friendship.
Friendship. So,
Friendship.
gusto ko ikaw magsagot muna nito.
Okay.
How did we get to know each other?
I forgot. Your Honor, I forgot. The joke.
Grabe yun.
Ang una kong nakilala kita ng una was during the MSCB.
MDA.
Ayun, MDA, the Meeting de Avance.
So,
ako nun, usher ako nun.
Oo.
Tapos, by this time, nakikita ko yung mga posts nila Mika, that stuff. So, parang medyo familiar ako nun. Tapos, I went to your classroom and nakakatawa kasi sinasermonan ko pa kayo nun. And kita-kita sa video mo.
Kita-kita sa video, oo. I forgot na nandun ka pala nung lilook back ko for like ilang months na. Sobrang doon. Tapos nakita ka to sa labas.
Tapos, you asked if I wanted to say hi sa vlog.
Oo, kasi nakita mo ko nag-vlog, parang natawa ka sa akin.
Oo, and I was very shy nun. So, I said no. Especially naman kakatapos ko lang Manerbo.
Oo. Nakala ko rin grade 12 siya.
Akala ko rin grade 12 ka nung una. Pero nung na-realize ko, hindi, nasa floor tayo ng mga grade 11.
Akala ko grade 12 siya kasi ang daming students kasi hindi
Yeah.
pa ako masyadong familiarized. Kaya akala ko grade 12 talaga siya.
Oo, kaya ayun, we would pass each other sa hall. We would say our, hellos,
Oo.
goodbyes, gano'n.
Nag-hello kayo ni Tina, tas parang nagugulat ako, ba't kayo nag-hello? Parang kinakwento ko kay Ash ko yata kinakwento, kay Ashley. Parang sabi ko, ang dami nag-hi sa akin, sino yun? Mga gano'n. Tapos, ayun, nagugulat ako. Then, ayun, nalaman ko na ikaw.
I think nahanap na kita sa Instagram or basta sa social media mo.
Parang may kunento ka na parang nari-post ni Joven yung story ko na nag-lunch kaming tatlo ni Mark sa St. Steven.
Yung pinaka-unang time na naging close tayo was yung sa adobo.
Nung adobo!
You went to our room nun. Tapos,
nagla-lunch pa ako dun
I tried to talk to you nun.
Oo.
Tapos, I noticed na iisa lang tayo ng ulam.
Oo.
So, like, adobo buddies!
Parehas kaming adobo. Tapos parang tas ang OA namin, sobrang OA namin ni Jess. Parang, my adobo
pinost pa
was
natin
made from ganun.
My adobo was made from fresh vinegar with...
Tapos sabi ko, my adobo is approved by FDA.
Lugi na ako doon, FDA na eh. Hindi ko kasi alam
ang OA natin nun, I swear.
Hanggang ngayon naman.
Totoo naman. Pero for me, nakalala ka din kita from... Actually, naalala ko lang nung kwento mo sa akin yung nag-hi ka sa vlog. Parang ang na-familiarize kita was nag-hi ka sa akin sa hallway. Kasi I have a very bad memory. Dami ko kasi student friends dito. Nung time talaga nag-usap tayo ng onte, yung nag-congratulate ka sa akin sa baby. Nung kausap ko kasi Nathan Juco.
Oh, yeah.
Naalala ko yun. Tapos... Oo. Tapos, nung bumaba tayo sa gymnasium, I think outtaking yun. Nag-vlog ako dun sa bleachers. Doon mo na nalaman na new student ako. Tapos doon tayo nag-usap.
Doon tayo nag-start na mag-talk ng yung malalim talaga.
Shy pa kami isa't isa. Pero nung nag-lunch kami sa BCM, doon na kami parang kalokohan na kami. Doon na kami yung super gulo at kulit na.
Yes.
Tapos ayun, nung nag-involve yung friendship namin. Tapos mas lalo pa rin nag-involve. Pero ano naman ang first impression mo sa akin?
Okay, yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, akala grade 12 ka.
Okay.
So, content creator ka. I know na, approachable ka nun. Pero somehow, I still found you intimidating.
Gets ko yun.
Parang natatakot ako lapitan tong tao na to. Kasi, feeling ko,
patangkad ako.
Feeling ko ako to, ikaw to.
Oo.
Not in terms of height, pero in terms of levels.
Gets ko yun, oo.
So, parang, since nga kasi scholar ako, di ba? And you're a regular student. So, ang idea kasi namin na scholars, we put ourselves below the regular students. Yun yung
kasi yung nangyari nga sa inyo.
So parang ayoko rin na mag-assume na ganito ka. Kasi baka mamaya, if I approach you too much, baka you'll find me annoying. Parang ganun. Pero
so parang ako yata yung lumapit. Hindi, parang ikaw yata. Baka, maybe
it's both,
general.
It goes both ways.
General. Parang,
pero kasi tayong madaldal.
Oo, totoo. Kaya tayo naging close eh.
Yeah.
Pero my first impression to you, mahihain. Napansin ko, for me,
mahihain.
Mahihain, tas alam ko, hindi ko yata alam kung scholar ka pa nun, pero parang naisip ko rin matalino ka. Matalino and shy. Oo.
Tapos yung tinatawag niya na ako, makapal yung mukha ko.
Parehas lang kami dyan. Hindi lang ako, pero siya din. Alright, biglang nag-bell. So, nandito kami sa floor. Dito kami sa floor ng senior high building.
Yes.
And, okay, nangyari kasi nag-bell. So, kailangan kami bumalik doon. Tapos sarado na yung library. And hindi kami pwede sa classroom. Sabi namin, sige, dito lang tayo sa floor para aesthetic.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we have 2 questions na lang. 2 questions na lang na, pa tayo, na cut off pa tayo. Ayun, we have, so bilisan na lang natin kasi ang init, grabe, hindi na namin kaya. Namamatay na kami. Sobrang lagkit na namin. Well, anyways, ito na nga. So, last question ko for you, kasi ayun na nga, sagot na natin yung first impression to one another. What was your favorite memory between us?
It was definitely the adobo.
The adobo? Yes. Bakit naman?
Kasi yun yung first time na parang naging open ako, gano'n.
Ay, wala rin kasi tayo masyadong memories. Puro chat kasi tayo.
Kasi majority na online na yung natin, communication natin.
Yeah.
Pero siguro yun talaga yung adobo kasi hindi ko in-expect yun.
Ako rin, hindi ko rin in-expect na magmamatch din tayo ng adobo. Kaya ganun. Ako for me, baka my favorite lang is the chats lang. Kasi masaya na rin yung chats. Pero wala pa kasi tayong activity na masayang gawin. Baka ito rin, baka itong Wavy Talks natin, pwede rin ganun. Pero wala pa akong wala pa ako naisip. Kaya,
Wala pa.
ayun, pero baka malay mo in the near future dates, masaya. Oo, pero di mo sure. Pero yeah, yun lang yung favorite memories ko was doon. Ito or our chats. Maganda na rin yung chats.
It is.
Yeah, so yun yung favorite memory. So I have the last question for you. And this will be about your future. Ay, future.
Future? Meron ba ako nila? Sorry.
I want to ask you, what do you think, this is about your school life, what do you think your future will be until grade 12 and college?
Okay.
Una-una, grade 12, anong plano mo?
Sa grade 12,
Mamatay, joke.
uy, true. Ay, sorry. For grade 12, I don't exactly have plans. Kasi wala naman akong goal na mag-honor. So,
Ay, wala ka ng goal mag-honor ng grade 12?
wala na. Kasi more on parang, ever since na nag-senior high ako, na-realize ko na there's more to life than just your grades.
True.
So, ever since na, let's say, may mga times kasi ngayon ng grade 11 ako, yung tipong, pagka hindi ko nakuha yung goal ko na grade, sobra akong naaapektuhan.
Ay, oo, gets ko yan.
So, may time na, pati yung health ko nadamay na, I've visited the hospital multiple times because of that.
Really?
So, ang tinuro sa akin ng family ko na I should kalmahan ko lang. Pero, siguraduhin ko lang na hindi ako babagsak or whatsoever.
Basta pantay-pantay.
Basta,
Gets ko yan.
kahit average student lang, it's fine.
Yeah. Gets ko yan.
So, siguro, sa grade 12, ang expectations ko lang naman is, kalmadong school year. Which, obviously, hindi yung magiging totoo kasi we're at Marist.
STEM.
And STEM.
Ayun din.
Siyempre, mahirap siya.
Yeah.
Pero, as long as makagraduate, okay
True.
siya.
Tama yun. Pero for your college life, ano naman plan mo sa sarili mo? Saan ka ba magka-college? Like, planned mo?
Actually, kasi this year, we're going to move na to Antipolo.
Mm-mm.
So, for college, I'm trying to look for schools at Antipolo. So far, ang nahanap ko is ALFU, yung Our Lady of Fatima University.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Kasi it focuses on med, pero marami rin silang ibang courses.
Yes.
So, since, naman siya, very, kaya naman yung tuition niya and everything.
Yeah.
Pwede na siya.
Totoo.
Siguro doon na ako magsistay for, college.
Well, di mo na itatry yung Big Four or...
Mag-try pa rin ako, pero hindi ko siya like goal na parang gustong-gusto ko. Parang sabihin sa UST, hindi kami sila sabi na, ay, gustong-gusto ko talaga mag-UST, kailangan makapasa ako.
Basta alternative decision lang. Gets ko yan.
Ang main goal ko is ALFU, tapos mga extra na lang yung iba.
Gets. Naintindihan ko yun. That's why I understand na. Oo. It's na kasi 12?
Yeah.
It's 12:30, something like that. Pero
No,
yeah.
it's actually about to be 1 na. Pero...
Ay, okay. Ang bilis ng oras, ha?
Oh.
Pero yeah, ayun. Pero to be honest, Jess, getting to know your life as a scholar student, our friendship, and your future, I'm really happy na we got to interview.
Me din.
To get to know your life more other than us being, kaya buhay niya talaga as a scholar. Kaya very happy ako na nandito ka na sa Wavy Talk.
After so many months.
Moves. After many movings.
After so many,
I think March pa yata natin pinaplano to.
March pa.
Something like that.
It's already May.
May, it's okay. Ganyan talaga. Nagmo-move talaga ang skeds, kaya ganun talaga.
Yes.
Pero yeah, I think this will be, I don't really know. I think this is like my second to the last interview kay Kasi my last interview would be someone from BFD again. Pero hindi ko na makakapag-interview pa ako after the school year ends. Tingnan natin, we don't really know.
Summer.
Tingnan natin, we don't really know. Let's think about it. Kasi gusto na magpahinga eh.
Yeah.
Pero yeah, that's all. Alright guys, well, more interviews to come soon, I promise. Ang saya nitong gawin. Di ba nakakapagod din, pero masaya din. Pero yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all naman sabihin ko. Thanks again, Jess.
Thank you, wow.
Of course.
Tapos na!
Yay! And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye.